Welcome to the 2022 American Public University System Symposium session on current science knowledge and support of popular science writing. My name is Andrew Martinez, and I'm presenting to you Rachel Carson's Silent Spring, a closer look. Rachel Carson grew up in rural Pennsylvania and always had a love for the outdoors. She was first known for being a talented writer, which helped her attend the Pennsylvania College for Women, now known as Chapman University. She found a love for marine biology and earned her master's in zoology from Johns Hopkins University in 1932. She was a self-starter who fought hard for her education and found mentors to further her knowledge. In a time where women were looked at as second-class citizens, Carson was met with multiple challenges as an educated woman. Carson had many of her writings published, including Under the Sea Around Us, The Edge of the Sea, and the 1955 magazine article titled Help Your Child Wonder. In 1962, Carson's Silent Spring was published. This feature-length book broke barriers for both environmental scientists and women in that it brought to light many issues concerning pesticides and insecticides, namely DDT. This book ultimately led to the establishment of the Environmental Protection Agency. Silent Spring addressed the issue concerning the use of the synthetic insecticide DDT. Since 1912, DDT had been used to rid crops of insects, thwart malaria-carrying mosquitoes, and to even delouse adults and children. Through extensive research, Carson found that DDT was actually dangerous to exposed people and attacked the human nervous system the same as it did insects. Carson had already began making waves in the political atmosphere, but now, through Silent Spring, she was comparing the after effects of DDT to a global apocalypse and pushing warnings of mass extinction. This feeling was well known in the U.S. during this time period due to the nuclear threat of the Cold War. Though there was tough pushback from politicians and fear of changing the economics of the U.S., Carson also received great support from then-President Kennedy. Many politicians and scientists doubted Carson's work, pointing out that DDT was a safe and cheap method, and comparing her to pagans who worshiped trees. These doubters lacked environmental ethics and were more worried about the valuation of crops and less about the health of the environment. The President's Science Advisory Committee conducted their own research on DDT and confirmed that Carson's allegations were true. DDT was banned in the U.S. in 1972. Many countries, including India, continue to use DDT to kill malaria-carrying mosquitoes. In 2006, the World Health Organization, or the WHO, deems it safe to spray DDT indoors twice a year in countries where there are high death rates related to malaria. In conclusion, this book, Silent Spring, by Rachel Carson, brought about dramatic change to environmental science and paved the way for the creation of the Environmental Protection Agency. Were it not for Rachel Carson and her writings, the U.S. would surely be a different place today.